Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Con Life.
Welcome to the channel.
I'm Adil.
I'm Zidane.
And where we at, guys?
Great Wolf Lodge.
That's right, folks. We're here at Great Wolf Lodge in Gurnee, Illinois for the next 2 nights. Since we're here for a couple of days, we're going to give you guys a tour of this beautiful property in its entirety as much as we can. For the first day, what we're going to do, which is today, we're going to check out all the dry activities, and then tomorrow we'll check out the wet stuff and take a look at the water park. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Welcome to Great Wolf Lodge in Gurnee, Illinois. We quickly pulled up to the front to check in. It was a seamlessly easy check-in process. Once checked in, we parked in the parking lot and our room was accessible from door 3. Welcome to our room 2242. So this is the family suite. Now this is the double queen, and we'll take a look at that momentarily, but right when you enter, you got your open layout bathroom, at least the sinks, the vanity here, and everything you need, all your amenities. You got a large mirror, and separated here with a door, you got your WC and your tub. All your towels, but yeah, your bathroom right upon entry, and then a little area here. You got a little bench and area you can put your suitcase, and then you got your closet, and then the room itself. You got your double queen, the center table, and outlets at your bedside. We'll just kind of sweep over here, do a pan. On this side is your TV. You got a mini fridge, and let's just open this up. Very large mini fridge, by the way, larger than some of the other units we've been to. Your coffee maker, all of that good stuff on this side, and just a bunch of drawers. And we also got our Wolf Pass sitting here. This is for the kids, and we'll talk about this a little later. And the back of the Wolf Pass shows you everything that's included. Huge shout out to the Great Wolf team for providing this amenity for the kids. Thank you so much. And then on this side, this being a family suite, we have additional area here. So this is kind of nice, kind of separated this. Now this becomes a sofa bed too. Now this room is designed for 6 individuals, so it's pretty spacious. You got a little table here with a couple chairs. And then this room itself, as we walk on over, has a balcony of the beautiful parking lot. So this is the balcony. It's huge, by the way. That's a very spacious balcony. So a few chairs out this way. So yeah, as you can see, we're at the end, all the way in the corner here. So there's a couple wings that separate, so we are obviously closer towards the front parking lot. So this concludes the room tour. Let's get out of here and have some fun. Oh, look at that, they got the rope course, all the activities. So yeah, I got a few stores. This is the main entrance. We kind of came from our room, but you got different restaurants here. You got the rope course that we just showed you guys. Ice cream. We'll show you that a little later when we start getting into this. Dunkin' Donuts. Hello. The Build-A-Bear workshop. And then we'll go back to the main area. And then you got a little gift store here. Actually, we're going to go here to grab some ears for you guys. You guys want to get some ears? Let's go. Stuffies. Hello Kitty. Oh yeah, check that out. Great Wolf Lodge ears are complimentary for guests, so be sure to stop by and grab them. You guys get your candy cup. So included the Wolf Pass is a candy cup, as you can see, for each child, and we could fill it up with candy. What is that anyway? You don't even know what that is. But yeah, these are your options here, guys. So you can also get these collectible sippers here, unlimited refills during your stay. We're gonna go a little backwards here upon exit from the gift store here. This is where we checked in. Now this is the main entrance. That's where the check-in desk is. And we are here during spring break, so there is a lot of people. And then you can see the water park off to the side here. Want to go see the water park? We're going to check that out tomorrow, but that looks fun. It's bigger than you thought? Yeah, it's pretty huge. We'll just kind of walk around here. There's a restaurant. We'll show dining a little later. I'm not sure what we're going to eat just yet, but they got barnwood. Oh, she's excited. other activities to do here. Right above the main entrance, you got the Northern Lights Arcade. So they got Adventure Park, a bunch of games on that side. Well, we're gonna check out MagiQuest. Oh, they got miniature bowling here too. Yeah, we're gonna check this out right here. It's MagiQuest, like a little scavenger hunt for the kids. And it's included with our Wolf Pass. I'll give you guys an idea. So here you can pick out a wand, and then you got toppers that you can purchase also for extra points. So a little fun game for the little ones. So basically the kids use a magic wand to interact with elements all throughout the resort, completing different quests. We need to get a dazzle. We're starting the game off right here. She's a bit scary? Yeah. So this is pretty cool. This is where we are. This is the map of the property here. And we got to get these crystals, so it tells you kind of where to find them. So, little scavenger hunt. Let's go ahead and search for these crystals. Look at all those gems. Nice. So as we exit MagiQuest, they got some more dining options right here. You got the outposts, you got burgers, so a bunch of stuff here. With the Wolf Pass, they also give us a few tokens to use at the arcade. Now they have actually a very large arcade here with a whole variety of different games. So this is nice. Look at this boy. Jackpot. All right, so with the arcade pass ticket, we got 1,100 tickets. Not bad, because he won the jackpot. Nice. So with the Wolf Pass, they only get 3 games per pass, so just keep that in mind. So we had 6 games total. As soon as we come up, there's actually more activities for the kids here. And they got their mascot.
You guys like to make this craft? Okay.
Oh, that was fun.
So I'm gonna give you this.
So we've been here for a couple hours already. There is so much to do, and we haven't even hit the water park yet. So yeah, just be forewarned, you do need a separate day if you want to check everything out. So I think it's time to grab something to eat. All right, for dinner we're gonna grab some pizza and Hungry as a Wolf. We got some 5 cheese pizza. Pretty decent size. This pizza is surprisingly very good. I actually like it. You like it? All right, we're gonna do mineral mining next. Oh, these are the rocks we're gonna find.
I could put this in my rock collection.
Yeah, you got more collections. You guys having a good time?
Yeah.
It's about 7 p.m. We haven't even at the water park, obviously. We're just checking out the dry activities. But they have a dance party, and we're going for... Yeah, we're going for her. So let's head on over to the main lobby. So next we're gonna go ahead and try some ice cream and see what they got. So with the Wolf Fest, they also get ice cream. Look at that. That's a lot of ice cream, by the way. That's huge. Look at that. Thank you. All right, next up is bowling. So we're gonna play some bowling here. Miniature bowling. Hey! Oh, you strike! Nice! Well, the wife is winning here. I'm losing. What's up with that? Final game. Huda beats me by what? What? We just keep running back and forth. Next up is mini golf. Yay! So they got rock climbing in the back as well. And then the rope course right above us. And all that is included with the wolf pass. Time to head back to the room. Good night, guys. Good morning. We are day 2.
Yeah.
Well rested, and we're gonna be hitting up the water park. But before we do that,
At the food.
yes, exactly. She beat me to it. Gonna get some breakfast. As we're headed for breakfast, we noticed they're having a MagiQuest ceremony for all the players where they get a certificate. You've been certified by MagiQuest? Look at you, you're a master wizard, aren't you? He said, yeah, I guess. So dining starts to add up very quickly. We just spent about 45 bucks at Dunkin' Donuts. They do have dining credits that you can purchase on their website, which you can save a little bit of money. But you have to do that before you check in, so make sure you guys look into that. Time to finally hit up the water park.
Yay!
And we are here at the water park. They got towel rentals right when you enter. You got some lockers on the side. They got the lazy river here. You got a nice huge slide. The kids love that in the back. Oh, they got slides going outside too. A bunch of slides on the outside. They're all connected in here, so they kind of exit you out here, so that's kind of nice. Doesn't take up a lot of space. You got some life jackets for the kids for you to use. Oh, they got the wave pool in the back too. Those are always fun. Oh, you play basketball on this side. And you got the lazy river going all the way around. All of this. These are always fun. The water works. And they also got cabanas on the back end here. They don't look like they're taken, but we'll take a quick look at what they offer. So you got your TV here, a lot of seating area. Get your own water. So it's kind of nice, and you got a fan running through. Yeah, they got a few cabana rentals over here. And then they also got a restaurant in the back there too, so you can go ahead and get your dining on right inside. You don't have to leave here. We'll check that out a little later. Hey, we got the little area for the kids. Specifically for her. Getting all soaked here like a car wash. I think we're gonna go on this next. Yeah? That is high. So we got 2 rides over here. We're gonna go on the left one. That was so much fun. We're gonna do it one more time.
We're gonna do the red one.
The orange one?
Yeah, that one.
Oh! A little faster. Get up. I got wet. Yeah, that one got me really wet. Another one? Oh, that was fun. That one was good. How was that one? Yeah? That one was better, a lot better. All right, we're going back into the wave pool. Oh. How was it? Fun. You had fun? Nice. You got plenty of loungers all around too. A lot of them are taken, but you can still find some.
Oh yeah, at the pool.
You want to go in the pool?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to lounge? You don't want to relax? No? All that playing made us hungry. It's time to eat. We just got done with the water park and we had an amazing time. We were there for at least 4 hours. So yeah, just a lot to do, but gonna do some more things for the kids and then start heading out. You guys making crafts? What are you making, Nuria? A snow globe? Oh, let's see it. Does it work? Oh, it does. That's so cool. I like that. All right, we are out of here. You had a good time?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Pool.
Pool? What was your favorite part, Sada?
This.
Yeah. He still wants to keep playing that. But yeah, we had an amazing time. But yeah, he didn't finish it. That's okay. That game keeps going.
I know, I'm almost done.
But yeah, we had an amazing time, and 2 days was a good amount.
Everything.
These kids are gonna keep talking. 2 nights was enough. We had a great time. Of course, you can spend more time here, especially like in the pool and whatnot. But overall, amazing trip. If you guys have any questions about this trip, put it down in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching.